Alright, you recording? You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Welcome back. Hold up.
Should I stop?
No.
Okay.
Welcome back to the channel, boys. Today we're going to a Bimmer invasion. I'm really excited for it. So, we'll see how it turns out. Why is this guy going so slow? Like, chat, what's happening right now? I don't even know. Today's gonna be crazy. I'm basically a race car driver at this point. Honestly, they should just give me the job. Oh, I hate these people so much. Please, stop it. I wanna die, bro. Nobody wants to hear this garbage. Alright, who let bro in the show? Boys, we found Travis's car. This thing, definition of anybody out there with a lot of money. I'll put a link in the description. I would love a G80 right now. Car is smoking the hookah. That's kind of crazy. What the heck, bro? Who let these kids in the meat? Ew, his car's. I bet you he got kicked out. What
Alright, that sounded good.
It wasn't even two steps. It sounded like garbage. Alright, boys, we about to get a ride along. I'm low-key mad excited, so we'll see how that goes. Can't really hear anything. time to go.
Yeah. We didn't do anything.
What is that? Yo, what is happening? What is going on right here, bro? Bro, they're pulling everyone over right now. The cops are posted up there. Cars behind us. I think we're gonna definitely see some people get pulled over. What did he get you for?
I almost hit him.
Oh, you almost hit the cop. What in the world? Sounds like a bunch of weed whackers were going crazy. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you had fun. Got to ride in the 350Z. Even though we crashed, like spun out a few times and the clutch was slipping, it's okay. Just let's go home. Just yeah, go in the car. Just sit down. Alright.